Hi guys, today I want to share my ChatGPT screen with you and to show you the steps that I take when I am creating a video script and I'm asking ChatGPT to help me. I have to put a prompt in ChatGPT to get the process started. This prompt is for my new channel called The Gentle Warrior, which is a motivational channel. So I went ahead and I did all of that. So for timing, I don't want a video to be too long. So what I'm telling ChatGPT here is that I already went to vidIQ, which is one tool that I use, another tool I use. It's a paid tool though, and the link is in the description. Yes, I use vidIQ for keywords, low competition keywords, for looking at how others in my niche are doing and to emulate their success and so on and so forth. I do have a video that I share the screen with vidIQ to show you how I use it as well. So go on over to my playlist and watch that video. Okay, so for ChatGPT, I told it that I told him, okay, it's artificial intelligence, but in my mind, I want it to seem as if this is human. Okay, if you have a problem with that, I'm sorry. So, anyways, I'm just kidding. Anyways, vidIQ gave me a title that got a 97% score. So I'm telling ChatGPT that I went in and got a 97% score in vidIQ for this title. And the title, I share the title, is No More Excuses, Seize Risk Right Now. I told ChatGPT that I want to include my personal story about losing a bottled water business in Jamaica and still not giving up. And I wanted ChatGPT to put two other stories in that resonate with others and people can relate to it. And I also told ChatGPT that, of my challenges and my realistic goals and all of that, to give ChatGPT an idea of what I went through. But for the other two stories, ChatGPT is gonna make them up. Yeah. But even if ChatGPT makes up the story, I told ChatGPT to make sure the story is relatable, that anyone can go through it. ChatGPT gave me three optimized title suggestions that I can go back to vidIQ and compare the scores with the one it already gave me. So that's a plus. So vidIQ gave me this script. When I read the script, I thought there could be more done to it by ChatGPT before I even got it. So I wrote an edited prompt to tell ChatGPT that I wanted the stories to be more challenging. I wanted a transition between one story to the next because the first script was just going right into the story. And I wanted a loop so that it can seem seamless. And I added some more of the challenges that I went through. I told ChatGPT to put some challenges in the other two stories so that it can be relatable because nothing in life is easy. It ain't easy. And so ChatGPT gives me another script. And when I read this script, I still thought there could be more. So I told ChatGPT, and I'm scrolling down. Sorry, scrolling down fast. I told ChatGPT, "Oh, I love this script. This is but there is no transitional loop in between the stories to make it seamless. And please add my Gentle Warrior Survival Guide to the call to action. This guide is free, by the way." And ChatGPT is telling me, "Oh, I'm glad you loved it. I've now smoothed out the transitions between your stories, Sarah's and James, and I've created natural loop backs and I've put your call to action." So it gives me the final script. I think the script this is. I'm not going to bother ChatGPT anymore. I asked the ChatGPT to create the script for a teleprompter. Yes, I use a teleprompter for this particular channel called The Gentle Warrior because I don't want to be. This is important. I'm trying to motivate people, and I want them to listen to me. So this video that I'm doing now, I don't have a teleprompter and I don't have a script. I am giving you the authentic, real me. Yes, I could do that for that channel, but and you are important as well. But when you're trying to motivate people, you don't want to be saying, you don't want to be stuttering. You want it to be seamless. And that's why I use a teleprompter for that channel. I may use a teleprompter later on for this channel, but for now, especially when I share my screen, I don't want to be reading a teleprompter. I know what I'm doing, so I just focus. All right, back to business. But on the teleprompter script that I got, when you are reading a teleprompter, I usually move the teleprompter to my right because I'm right-handed. If I have it over on the left, then everybody's going to see me look that way. So I always have it on the right here, and it's supposed to scroll straight down. ChatGPT has this line hanging right here. So, and I want it, all right, like this. Let me show you. Like right here. It has to be seamless and in one line like this one, like right here, that this text that I highlighted. So I would copy this script that ChatGPT. You hear us? I said again. Yeah. I don't know why I do that, but I'm working on it. So what I'm gonna do is, let's set it again. I'm going to copy this, paste it into a Google Docs, and edit it, and maybe add some things that I think ChatGPT may have missed to make the script more powerful and do what I want it to do, to empower people, to motivate them, to let them see that if I can do it and others can do it, they can do it too. That's what that channel is all about. And I'm so excited with it. So go over to the Gentle Warrior Cheryl. That's the name, the Gentle Warrior, CHERYL, and subscribe to that channel too. I would appreciate it. So what I did next, I asked ChatGPT, I would like 2 expanded thumbnail prompts that tell a story. Because ChatGPT was asking me if I needed matching YouTube descriptions and video tags. I don't need that because the title that vidIQ gave me, vidIQ also gave me a description and tags. So I would use the first prompt and go over to Leonardo.ai. That's another tool I use for my channels, for the thumbnails. And I would probably edit some of the things in here to suit my liking, but I would paste this in Leonardo.ai and see what comes up. You get 150 credits. By the way, I've already done a video mentioning Leonardo.ai, and I'm going to do a full-on video like this one, showing you my screen and showing you what I do with Leonardo.ai, how I use it. So that probably would be the next video. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And there's another thumbnail prompt, but I would try this one first to see what comes up. And then if I don't like what comes up, I would just edit this and try it as well. Excuse me. So my next step would be to copy and paste the script I got, go to Google Docs and edit it. Then I would go to Leonardo, because I like to create my thumbnails first before I even record. So I would go to Leonardo.ai, get my thumbnail, go to canva.com. Yes, I use Canva to finalize everything. And I would finish up the script, add text, add emojis if that's necessary. And so that's where I would finish up my thumbnail. Then I would go back to Google Docs and read back through my script to make sure everything is okay and I'm ready. Then I would go to capwing.com. There is going to be a link in the description as well. You can go and click on to see what it's all about. But that's where I have my teleprompter. That's where I can video using the camera and the screen. I can use the camera by itself or the screen by itself if I don't want to show my face. So I would go to Capwing, record as I'm recording now, and but there won't be a screen. This is a specific video just to show you how I use ChatGPT to create a script and thumbnail. So I would go to Capwing, record, and then export, download, and get ready to upload to YouTube. So that is the process. ChatGPT is my best friend. Well, one of my best friends. AI is not going anywhere, folks. It's here to stay. And you don't have to use it only for faceless channel, because my Gentle Warrior channel is not faceless. I show my face. I'm going to put the link in all of my, I said again, in all of my YouTube channel. I probably need to slow down. In all of my YouTube channel links will be in the description, so you can go and subscribe to see, how I do things and what it's all about. My True Travel Treasures is the one that I first started, and it has over 45,600 subscribers in only 10 months. Yes. So I have a lot to say and I have a lot to share, and I'm so excited. Okay, so right now I want you, this is all I'm going to do for right now. My next video will be about Leonardo.ai. Then I'm going to share, maybe copy and paste the same prompt into DeepSeek.ai. That's another tool that you can use. You can actually use both with the same prompt and see which one gives you what what you think you're going to use for your channel, to compare them. You know what I mean? So that is it for now, folks. Please download my video planning guide. It's free. And the viral video cheat sheet. Both are free. The link is going to be in the description. I also have a paid ebook that will help you to learn how to automate your YouTube channel. And that link will also be in the description. Thank you for staying until the end, and I hope my stuttering doesn't annoy you. I'm going to try to do better. Maybe I need to slow down, as I said. Thank you so much. And it was my pleasure sharing this with you. I hope you learned something of value that you can use for your channel. And if you don't have a channel yet, it can help you to start a channel. I'm probably going to do a video about how to start a YouTube channel. And if you want me to create that video, please say so in the comment section. And I'll be happy to oblige, because I love what I'm doing. Sharing with others and making an impact on lives. Thank you so much. This is Cheryl, your channel host, saying bye for now, but only for now. Until next time, thank you.